Hey, it's Jay from BuyNowWizard.com. In this video we're going to give you a little tour of the new Buy Now Wizard WordPress plugin. Alright, once you have it uploaded, you're going to see a little tab pop up down here. That's where you're going to access the plugin. But before you do that, you're going to need a couple pages set up. We've gone ahead and done that. Either grab some pages or some links from a current offer you have set up, or set up a couple of pages for testing purposes. You're going to need a sales page, a special offer page, and a thank you page for this basic offer. Alright, now that that's done, let's hop in here. Alright, this page here is where your offers will be populated once you have a couple different ones set up. We don't have any set up right now. Let's create a new offer. Okay, I'll give you the little rundown of the different fields, and then I will recreate the offer you saw in the previous video. Name field is just for your own reference, so once you have a couple offers set up, you can easily tell them apart. They'll be visible in the previous page we just saw there. Time, limit by time is by minutes or by date. That's pretty straightforward. Both have counter direction up or down, and both have counter display as text or custom. Text can be is just standard text that can be modified by CSS or HTML, and the custom is basically a set of images that have been loaded into the plugin. You can use those, or you can swap them out for any images, numerical images that better suit your theme. You just need to remember to name them exactly the same and put them in the folder the exact same way, and only one set can be loaded. We're working on a couple different options for this in the next couple updates, but right now that's how it works. Alright, moving along, quantity function, basically for quantity, to limit the quantity or to use as a social proof counter. So max quantity, whatever you want to limit it as, or if you're going to be using this as a social proof counter, I'll just put it like 1,000,000 here, or whatever you want to make sure you don't get capped off at your max. Quantity check, this is how often it checks your thank you page. You have a little shortcode on your thank you page just for accuracy. We usually just keep this at 1. Again, counter direction down and up, and counter display text and custom. Thank you page is your thank you page URL. Button code. Right now this is just set as a standard text link for buy now, but click on the usage instructions and it'll pop you down the bottom of the page here. Right now it's got some info for standard text links, button images, or PayPal button code. We're working on a couple different ones, and this will be added to this once we complete our testing. One-time offers, just click IP tracking on and your offer will be tracked by IP. Offer over, expired, or unavailable to visitor. This is where they get redirected to. And this is the list of the shortcodes you'll be using. Missing one right here, that's the unique ID one that you'll see in a second once we create this offer. Let's go ahead and do that. We got a little button here that we're going to throw in. Swap it out for that text link. You got your thank you page. And offer over, expired. We're just going to send them back to our standard sales page. And that's it. Let's create. Offer has been added. Alright, you can see this page is starting to populate the offers. We got one right here. Let's go in and grab the shortcodes. You see the new unique ID has been added. I like to just copy all this stuff here and throw in my notepad. Alright, now let's go to those pages we created. I'd like to start at the thank you page. There's just one shortcode here that you'll need for that page. And again, this is only going to be used if you're using the quantity functionality. So if you're using limit by quantity, or if you're using it for a social proof counter. Alright, let's update the page. Alright. Next page we'll go to is the special offer page. So we'll do most of our editing. Okay, you're going to want to start the page with the unique ID. So we'll always go at the top. And it's not going to be represented by anything, just like the one you just put on the thank you page. It's just for the script to function properly. And this one here, you're going to want to put on the page right away too, or at least I like to, just to make sure they both get on the page. And that will be at the very end. And these ones here are the ones that are going to be represented by numerical values. I'm just copy and paste everything just for ease of this demo. But basically the shortcode will get represented by a number, and then days, hours, minutes, and seconds, those text, will just get represented by the text that is shown. And this one here is the quantity shortcode. We are putting 2 as in quantity on our offer when we just created. So this will get shown as a 2. Or depending on how you count, use your countdown, up or down. And this one here will be represented by whatever we put into the buy button field. We added image, so that will be shown as an image. That's all you gotta do. Let's update the page. Let's check it out. As you can see here, the countdown is counting down, and you have 2 copies left. Since we're not going to wait 84 days, let's buy a couple copies. Just added this link to get easily back to the special offer page for the purpose of this demo. As you can see, only 1 copy left now. And the way it works is whatever runs out first. If this counts down to 0 and you still have copies left, it'll get redirected. But so whatever runs out first, it will redirect to whatever you entered into the field, wherever you want to send your visitor back to. And you can use, let's buy another copy. And as you can see, you'll get redirected back to the regular offer. Let's hop in and do a little mod to the page. What we want to do first is let's refresh the quantity, because we went through the 2. It's an easy little button here just to, if you're using testing and you're hopping in and checking it out and buying, and just want to refresh quantity to bring it back to whatever you want to launch at. Let's edit the counter display to be custom, so you can get a look for what the custom images look like that are currently loaded. And we'll put IP tracking on for this one. Alright. As As you can see here, a new button has been added also. It's clear IP, because the script will track your IP. So you'll need to come in here and clear it if you're doing testing and whatnot. Alright. Let's check out the offer. So like I said, this is the current images that are loaded, but you can easily swap them out, like I said earlier, with any images that work better with your theme. Just make sure that they are in the folder the exact same way they come out, named the same and whatnot. Alright, let's test out the OTO. Let's refresh this. Go to our regular offer. Let's see if we can try to get back to the special offer. And we get redirected right again. Alright. Well, that concludes our mini tour. I'm Jay Taylor. Thanks for watching.